hot Cheeto girls are worse than like the chavs. Because hot Cheeto girls, they wear hoops and they spray so much freaking body spray. If you see one of the hot Cheeto girls spraying their body spray, get out before you have an asthma attack, even if you don't have asthma.
Today is September 23rd. It's like 8:40 right now, and today is my birthday. I just turned 15. Normally I don't care about birthdays. I have one pencil. The day I has my notebook. I'm heading to Dollar General because I wanted to get a buy tea before I went to school.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend?
School just ended. Well, for me, driver's ed just ended. Look at all the mushrooms. Can I smoke some of that? The day I said happy birthday to me, and then she tried to get me to let the class sing happy birthday to me. No, because literally I don't like anybody in my class. Bro, this praying mantis. It's a praying mantis. What is that? It's a praying mantis. It's a lady. It's so big. That's what she said. Save your wife! Yeah!
Oh,
you were running with your hands like this, like freaking the Flash. Wait. Let me on.
Are you recording that?
Yeah, it's recording. Let me on. I can't.
yeah, with your $700 bike.
That's my butt.
Yes.
This isn't gonna go.
Get off me rolling, patrolling, they try to get me riding dirty. Yes. That was beautiful.
Why is it so small?
Do we have a new ship?
Send this to me.
Yes.
Here comes Naruto! I went faster than that.
Everyone's taking the bike.
Here we have a wild brant in his natural habitat. He seems to be circling around towards us at a rapid rate. I'm wondering if he's going to murder us.
Yup.
And then we like.
Was that really necessary?
Cake in the middle of the night, be like.
We have to leave the pretty one.
The sky,
Yeah, okay. Everyone say hi.
Hi. Wait, who's leaving?
When everyone was at my house, Madison Kirby had her freaking ice cream, which she was shoving it in people's faces, and she shoved it in my freaking eye. I took off my makeup from my eyebrow slit. Like, usually I fill it in. But yeah, thanks, Maddie. Thanks. This clip is gonna be all the stuff my friends got me for my birthday. And there are quite some interesting things. I wasn't expecting anything from my group, like at all. But then they all just gave me stuff. I love you guys. I love my best friend, Salty Johanna. I love this group. And I'm gonna start it off with Maddie. Bruh, this is a handmade YouTube play button. It's so cute. I love it. It's presented to Greek Irene for passing 1 million subscribers. Yes, we're only on 160, 170. Actually, I have 165 on the filming of this video, which is September 24th. This is my motivation. I'm gonna get this 1 million subscribers at some point. On the back, it says, "To Marissa, I hope you have a great 15th birthday. Thanks for being such a great friend to me. Yes, you totally deserve a 1 million subs on YouTube. You hear that? You should all subscribe." And this is definitely gonna be used in my room. You're gonna see this in my room all the time now. Next, we had Joey. There's lotion everywhere for some reason. Joey got me tea and a bai tea. This is because I drink tea a lot. I love drinking tea. Sweet tea all the time. And then bai tea. I drink these because these are really good for you. I drink them a lot. I love them. These Japanese Meiji. I eat these all the time. Whenever we're in Dollar General, I go up and I buy one of these. It's always a bai tea and a Meiji. Or a Snapple. Snapples are amazing. Bro, if Snapple could sponsor me. I'm gonna eat one of these right now, actually. Next up, there's a paper towel on it because it started leaking all over my freaking bag. A moisturizing face wash. This child just walked into the store and was like, yeah, that's okay. The great, the wonderful dark spot correcting cream. Boy! Madison. She gave me the gift I needed. I always wanted. So amazing. Water. I always need this. Always. So Brant and Marin, they gave me $20 for online Minecraft so I can play with them. Everything after this is from Nadea. Oh my gosh. First off, apple juice. Yes. She got me a whole dang bottle of apple juice. This whole big thing, for moi. This is my favorite juice. She had somewhere where she was going with this. I'll read the paragraph she wrote me after this. She then got me a lavender tea balancing control mask. This has Korean on it. I might try to read that. As a charcoal and black sugar mask. She got me this big purple bath bomb and a face mask. A llama face mask. Llama. La 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 llama. As well as a towel wrap. Lady looks like a mixture of an elf and a flight attendant. Kokoshi nourishing lotion. I don't know if this was from Joey or Nadea, so one of you two tell me which one gave it to me because I don't remember. And then you saw the buy teas I got earlier, right? Oh. We got two more. We got blueberry and cherry, which I mean, I drink these all the time. I love you guys. Dark chocolate. I eat this all the time. It's kind of funny because Nadea originally got this for me like 2 weeks ago. Last but not least, Be Sexy perfume. Out of our group, I'm Group Ho. I'm the flirt of the group. I'm been nominated Group Ho, and that's what she thought when she read it. Be Sexy in New York City. Time for the paragraph. Dear Rissa, if you're reading this, it's your birthday. I can't read her cursive, oh my gosh. So happy 15th birthday. 20 million exclamation points. I hope you have the best, most awesome day ever. I love you so, so, so much. Platonically, of course. And I just want you to know that you're one of the most amazing, cool, caring, kind, funny, and crazy human beings I've ever met. Heart. Spending time with you is so much fun, and I hope you stay this weird forever. I think we're going to be friends for a long, long time. I'm looking forward to all the years we're gonna spend acting like crackheads together. Happy birthday, girly. Love, Daya. My absolute bestie. The amount of videos she's been in with me, just go check out our playlist. I know you can. Go check out my playlist of this lovely gal that got me apple juice for my birthday. Now we're going to describe them. Apple juice, your favorite liquid. Smirk emoji. Buy teas, more liquids you like. Suggestive eyebrow raises. Dark chocolate, your favorite candy. Face masks. In like January you said you didn't have any, so here you go. Even though you may have gotten more in the past 7 months. Lotion. Same thing as above. Something you mentioned you didn't have and I actually remembered. Body spray. I actually picked this up randomly because it was called Be Sexy and You Are Group Ho. I sprayed it in the store and couldn't figure out if it was something you like. If you don't, you can always use it as a bathroom spray. I've also got all the receipts in case you want to return stuff. So, we ain't returning stuff this time. Nuh-uh, I'm very happy with all this. Is that a bug? So I have all the things I got from my aunt, from my grandma. From my grandmother, I have something I wanted from her that'll be in the next clip. She found these are macaroon bath bombs and she thought they were cute. Honestly, I really think they're really cute. For my aunt, we got this MAC makeup bag. Probably good because I need to start cleaning out my makeup bag. It's a mess right now. As well as a daily skin mask sheet, a MAC lip glass, purple nail color. Go from there. Oh, that's nice looking.